Hi, my name is Russ Nesevich. I'm with Nesevich Law. We have offices in Moorestown, New Jersey and Manalapan, New Jersey. Quite often when we see clients for estate planning, the clients will choose to create what's called a testamentary trust, which is a trust created by their will upon their passing for the benefit of their children or anybody else to whom they may be leaving assets. Once they pass away and those assets are in the trust can generate income from the investment of the assets, and that income is usually required to be paid out to the beneficiary. A client recently asked if that income to the beneficiary, when it comes out of the trust, is taxable. And the answer is that it generally is. If the income stays in the trust and the income is generated from assets in the trust, that income is taxable. By the same token, if the assets were given outright to the beneficiary and the beneficiary invested those assets, and those assets in turn generated income from the investments, that income would be taxable as well. So it's no different than leaving assets to someone outright and having those assets generate income, except that the assets are in a trust. And because they're in a trust, they're protected from things like divorce, creditors, and bankruptcy. So the answer to the client's question is yes, income that comes out of the trust is taxable. Principal that comes out of the trust is generally not taxable. Sometimes those answers are different depending on your situation, which is why it makes sense to talk to an attorney. If you have any questions about that or anything else related to estate planning, please give us a call. We can be reached at 856-439-6223. Thanks so much.